Hello my fellow creators and welcome to my YouTube channel. You ready for another unboxing? I made another order from the 12 by 12 Cardstock Shop and I'm excited to see what I ordered because I don't know about you, but I'll place an order and then I'll kind of forget what I ordered, and when the box arrives I'm super excited because I really truly don't remember everything that I ordered. So let's take a peek together, shall we? Now I'm going to grab everything out of the box first, and look, I just wanted to show you how well they package up your paper. So let me grab everything out. Oh, there's another box within the box. Let's see. Oh, I remember why now. I remember why now. See? Truly do forget what I ordered. Okay, so it looks like I ordered this, the full pack of the Encore textured cardstock. Let me get it out of here. This bubble wrap. Oh, my grandson would just love the bubble wrap. He likes to pop all the little bubbles. Oh, I love how it comes packaged. So it's the complete collection. So all the colors of their Encore textured cardstock. And this lists all the colors. And now I do have the swatch book. Let me show you. See, I bought this with my last order. And I'm still waiting for them to get the foil cardstock swatch book in stock because I need to order that one as well. Well, do I need to? No, but do I want to? Yes. So as soon as that gets in stock, I kind of check randomly to see when that gets back in stock. And I like having that, and I'll tell you why. In fact, I'll tell you in a minute. Let me open up this box first. Oh, I don't want to rip this box. It's so pretty. Oh, look, it tells you tear here. Okay, I finally opened it up, and had I paid attention, it's perforated here as well. I don't know if you could tell, so I could have popped that open and ripped the top off, but I wasn't paying attention. Now, here it shows it's the best cardstock for cutting machines, and I have to tell you, of all the cardstocks I've used on my Cricut, this definitely cuts the best. And look, it has a little QR code, so you can get the recommended settings for each of the cutting machines out there. So let's see, this has 100 sheets, one sheet of 100 each of 100 colors, 12 by 12 cardstock. It's 80 pound, 216 GSM, solid core color, acid free, archival safe. Just look at all the colors. Look at those. So let's get them out of our box now. Oh my goodness. Here, let's take a few out of the box at a time. We'll take about half. Take a peek. And I'm not going to like flip through the whole thing because it is one of each of the colors. But look, like these look like they could be the same shade of pink, but they're ever slightly so different. So they're different colors. And if I were to go and, because they're not labeled on the back of these, but if I were to use my swatch book, I could just see the name of which is which. So Flamingo, let's see which one's Flamingo. Looks like this one's Flamingo, and then this one is Pink Champagne. So this swatch book is going to come in handy because as much as I try and keep everything in the right order and organized, once I start using the papers and cutting into them, I'm going to flip through so you can see it. It's hard to keep them in the same order. So having that swatch book will help me to remember, and this way I'll kind of know which colors I'm using most and which colors to order packages of individually. Look at this. Oh my goodness, all this cardstock. Does cardstock make anybody else as happy as it makes me? I was that kid in school that loved office supplies too. So that's me. Look at this. Look at the gorgeousness. And so many shades of, you know, blues and pinks and purples. I love that. Even a couple shades of yellows too. So, so pretty. And I love their black. I love it. It's gorgeous. Okay, I'm gonna put this, oh, I missed one. Oh no. Oh, this was up here on top. So let me put these back in the box and then we'll look at the rest of what came in my box this time around. Okay, so I have 2 more packages here. Let's see what's in these goodies. You can tell I haven't opened it because here's my shipping invoice there. So let me get that out of there. Oh good, this will show me exactly what I got. Okay, so in this package, I love that they always have this little card with a quote on it. So this one says, I don't call them craft supplies, I call them emotional support tools, right? These are so cute. And then you get like this freebie of other cardstocks. So this is a free sample packet of Nina's Star Dream. Oh, these are nice. These are like a pearlescent. So like a purple, let me take this strip off. Purple, or baby blue, or lavender, baby blue, like a pearlescent white, and this darker blue. Oh, and there's a pink in there too. Look, I missed it. Very pretty. Then, oh, I remember now, I got this one. This is this vellum with writing on it, guys. Let's see what the name of it is. It's called White Script Embossed Translucent Vellum. And it's beautiful. I got this because in one of the sampler packs I ordered, I got a sheet of this and I loved it. The one I got, because it wasn't a sampler pack, it was the slightly imperfect package. It had this sheet, but it was like this wasn't fully embossed on half of it. So I thought, let me get a full one. And it's beautiful. Look at that. Okay. And then this is Snowy White. So in addition to the full pack of Encore, I got some more individual sheets because I have a plan. This is Pink Champagne. This is Mulberry. And part of why I like this cardstock is the texture. It is textured cardstock, and I think that just adds something to your projects. Okay, this is Really Tealy. And look at the name of this one. This is Turquoise Necklace. And I'll explain why I got extra individual sheets in just a minute. This is Sea Mist. This is Dutch Iris. So pretty. And then we have Lilac Lace and Mardi Gras Purple. And I got a couple of those. And then Larkspur. And this one I got 3 of. Now here's why I did that with those individual sheets. I bought this, it's like a kit. And it's the Dreaming Tree cardstock kit, Spring Reverie paper sculpture. So if you look on the 12 by 12 cardstock shop, I'll try and put a picture up of the picture for this project. They have different projects by Dreaming Tree. And they package all the papers you need for that project in one kit. And you can just order that kit. So I really like that project and I wanted to make it. And now it's SVG file. You don't get that when you buy the cardstock. You have to purchase that separately. But it's only a few bucks. It wasn't that expensive. So I thought, I'm going to do this. I really liked it. I have an idea for this. It's going to be a gift for a friend of mine for her birthday. Her birthday is this month. So happy birthday, Debbie. So this one includes, the kit includes Parfait cardstock, 3 sheets of that. So if you remember, I got 3 sheets of the larkspur, and then this also has 2 sheets of the rose topaz. So I got 2 sheets of the Mardi Gras purple, and then this has all American red, peachy keen, flamingo, forest moss, marigold, tea green. It has a Vicky Boutin freshly picked, and grasshopper from Encore as well, the 12 by 12 cardstock Encore paper. So what I did was, when I was ordering this, I grabbed my swatch book, and this one has like pink flowers and red in it. So I thought, I'll make this one first, and then I'm going to make one with different colors, with purples and teals. So that's why I got all of these individual sheets. So based on the number of sheets in the kit, that's what I got from my individual sheets. So hopefully, as I was doing this, because I was shopping in bed, hopefully as I was doing that, I will have enough of each of the colors I need to do this project in a purple and teal version. In fact, I don't think that pink was part of it. So I went through here and I was like, okay, when I looked at this one, it had the Parfait cardstock and the rose topaz. So I went and I looked and I said, okay, there's the rose topaz, and let's see, where's the Parfait? Here's the Parfait. So it was a darker pink and a lighter pink. So then I went to the purples and I said, okay, let me find a darker purple and a lighter purple. So the lighter, I chose the larkspur, and the darker, which one was it that I chose? The Mardi Gras purple. And so I went through all the colors and did that, kind of found a color that I thought would look good in that purple scheme. So let's open this up, actually see the papers in it. And they have several of those projects on their website, so you can take a peek and see all the great projects they have. Okay, so let me move my little list off to the side. This one is the Parfait, so this has 3 sheets in the kit. And then, gorgeous papers. So one side, I think I mentioned, one side is smoother than the other. This one side is very textured and the back's a little smoother. Okay, then we have 2 sheets of the rose topaz. I love that pink. We have 1 sheet of all American red. Isn't that a gorgeous red? I'm sorry guys, I forget to make sure I'm in screen. And then this one is peachy keen. So pretty. 1 sheet of that. 1 sheet of flamingo. Nice pale pink. 1 sheet of forest moss. That's going to be the greenery on the project. Part of the greenery, I think. 1 sheet of marigold. 1 sheet of tea green. This is the Vicky Boutin freshly picked is the name of this one. Isn't that pretty? And I think it was this side, the reverse side. This is like the background to the project. So that one, and then Encore grasshopper. This is grasshopper. This last one. So all of that came in that one kit, and it was fairly priced. I think it's a good idea. If you're not quite sure what colors to get, if you look at one of those kits, kind of look at the combination of colors that they chose for that project. And if you're not a pink person, let's say, you love this project, but pink, it just isn't your thing, go through their colors. And I mean, I would suggest getting this swatch book first. And I also have the glitter swatch book, so you could use their no shed glitter paper, you could use their foils, their matte metallic papers, their encore, so many different papers that are available at the 12 by 12 Cardstock Shop. But I thought I'm going to stick with the encore this time because this pack had all encore. And I just went through and I thought, you know, I love pink. I'm a pink and purple gal. So I thought, well, let me do it in purples. And so I did that. But let's say you're not a pink or purple person. You're more of a yellow and orange person. And so you go through those shades and pick the colors you want to use. Or you want to do more of a earth tone, and so you go through your earth tone shades, you know, so many different options. Or you like the pinks, but you want even brighter pinks than the ones that were chosen on here. So you choose maybe a deeper red like this one. The colors are on the back, like the red wine. Or you choose, let me find that bright pink, party pink. So many options, and I'm loving the papers. Like, guys, I already have a whole stash of cardstock from the 12 by 12 Cardstock Shop. It's my new obsession, and I'm loving it. It's great for my card making projects, for if I'm making mini journals or mini notebooks for the grandkids, if I'm making a 3D project like I'm going to do with this kit that I got. It is very, very useful. I think I used a bunch of my 12 by 12 cardstock, the foil, the glitter, the encore, for some Mother's Day projects. And that was another project I saw on, I think it was their Instagram, and I followed the instructions. It was a paper vase of flowers that was a gift card holder. If I have a picture of that, I think I might have taken a picture before I gave it to my mom, my mother-in-law, and my daughters. So I'll put a picture up if I have one. But like, so many ideas, and their YouTube channel. Also follow their YouTube channel. Just lots and lots of fun projects. And I'm always getting inspired by other crafters. I love it. And I haven't repackaged all my paper in there, but I'll put it back in just a second. So there's my latest order from the 12 by 12 Cardstock Shop. Really love it. I will link to the 12 by 12 Cardstock Shop in the description box below, and that way you can take a peek at what they have. They have a lot of good deals too. Check out their sales. Check out their assorted packages. Like, they have an assortment of their glitter cardstock, their matte foil, lots of different options. They also have different kits available. They have their I keep forgetting the name of it. It is their pack of imperfect papers. So if they have any papers that have a little imperfection on them, they won't sell that. They put that, you know, aside, and it goes in that pack of imperfect papers. And I've gotten 2 of those, and they were different each time. So those were a good deal. They're not always available, but again, that's something else I keep an eye for, and I check out for that because that's a really great deal. Alrighty, friends. I'll let you go for today. I'm going to put my cardstock away so it stays nice and pretty, and then I'll start working on that project that I got, the Dreaming Tree project for the Spring Reverie paper sculpture. And I may do a video of me putting it together. I may not. I'm not sure. But I'll definitely post a picture of the completed project on my Instagram and Facebook, I promise. Alrighty, friends. Thank you so much for being here today. I appreciate you. As always, have a beautiful, safe, and creative day. Thanks for watching. Bye.